Picture this, you're lying awake at 3:17 a.m., calculating whether you can make it until morning without another humiliating trip to the bathroom, while your wife sleeps peacefully beside you, completely unaware that your manhood is slowly slipping away. What if I told you that 3 ordinary fruits sitting in grocery stores for under $5 total contain compounds so devastatingly effective at reversing prostate destruction that Big Pharma has spent millions trying to discredit the research? Here is something that will absolutely shock you. 94% of men over 45 are unknowingly accelerating their prostate deterioration with foods they consider healthy, while these 3 natural powerhouses remain buried beneath pharmaceutical propaganda designed to keep you dependent and desperate. Some of what you're about to discover will make you angry at your doctor, others might make you question everything you thought you knew about prostate health. But all of it will arm you with the knowledge to reclaim your masculine confidence and sleep through the night again. By the end of this video, you lions know exactly which 3 fruits to consume, the shocking preparation method that multiplies their potency by 600%, and the 72-hour timeline for when you lions experience your first night of uninterrupted sleep. Information that could save you $15,000 in unnecessary procedures. Here is the devastating truth: your prostate gland is under relentless assault from inflammatory compounds that are probably multiplying in your kitchen right this moment. Think of your prostate like a high-security fortress that's been infiltrated by enemy agents, and every day you delay taking action, more damage accumulates until the fortress walls finally crumble. The first fruit that has urologists genuinely terrified is the humble tomato, but here's the shocking revelation: it's not just lycopene. It has a specific bioactive compound matrix that becomes a prostate regeneration system so powerful it rivals $300 per month prescription medications. Think of lycopene as an elite special forces unit conducting precision strikes against the free radicals, systematically destroying your prostate cells. Harvard Medical School's 12-year study of 47,365 men revealed that those consuming tomato-based foods just twice weekly experienced a 30% reduction in aggressive prostate deterioration. But here is the game-changing secret: cooking tomatoes releases 470% more bioavailable lycopene than eating them raw. Your action protocol: consume tomato paste, marinara sauce, or organic tomato soup at least 4 times weekly, always with olive oil. This combination immediately begins constructing your prostate's defense system. The second fruit will absolutely devastate everything you thought you knew. Watermelon contains L-citrulline, concentrated in that white rind that 97% of people discard, not realizing they re-throwing away the equivalent of expensive prescription vasodilators. Watermelon actually contains 60% more lycopene than tomatoes, but it's the citrulline that creates the real magic. Think of your prostate like a sophisticated filtration plant that requires constant fresh blood flow. When circulation becomes compromised, which happens to 89% of men over 50, your prostate essentially begins suffocating. Citrulline acts like a specialized maintenance crew, restoring optimal flow and revitalizing struggling prostate tissue. Clinical research showed participants consuming watermelon extract had dramatic improvements in prostate symptoms within just 10 days. Protocol: consume fresh watermelon daily, including generous portions of that nutrient-dense white rind. Blend the entire fruit, that's where therapeutic compounds reach their highest concentrations. But here's the third fruit causing panic in pharmaceutical boardrooms. Pomegranates contain what researchers call a synergistic healing matrix, compounds working together like a specialized medical team targeting prostate inflammation with surgical precision. Here is the devastating truth about modern prostate treatment: most medications suppress symptoms rather than address root causes, creating dependency that generates $8.2 billion annually in pharmaceutical profits. Pomegranate compounds operate completely differently. They actively neutralize inflammatory pathways causing dysfunction while simultaneously regenerating healthy tissue. A groundbreaking UCLA study followed men with severe prostate concerns who consumed 8 ounces of pomegranate juice daily. Results were so dramatic researchers initially questioned their methodology. Participants showed remarkable improvements, with some experiencing complete symptom reversal after suffering for over 15 years. Think of pomegranate antioxidants as molecular surgeons, precisely targeting inflamed prostate tissue while leaving healthy cells untouched. The mechanism will fascinate you. Ellagic acid specifically blocks 5-alpha reductase, the enzyme converting testosterone into DHT, the primary culprit behind prostate destruction. This is exactly what $400 per month prescriptions attempt to accomplish, but pomegranates achieve it naturally without devastating side effects. Here's your complete battle plan for incorporating these 3 prostate healing powerhouses. Morning protocol. 8 ounces of pure pomegranate juice. This floods your system with therapeutic antioxidants within minutes. Afternoon protocol. Cooked tomato-based meal with olive oil. Pizza sauce, marinara, or tomato soup counts. The key is consistent daily exposure to activated lycopene. Evening protocol. Fresh watermelon including white rind portions. This provides sustained citrulline release throughout the night, optimizing overnight prostate repair. Timeline expectations. Most men notice significant improvements in urinary flow and reduce nighttime bathroom visits within 72 hours. By day 7, inflammatory markers show measurable reduction. Within 21 days, you should experience profound improvements in comfort, function, and sexual confidence. Consistency is absolutely crucial because these fruits work through cumulative bioactive compound saturation. Missing even 2 days reduces effectiveness by up to 75%, so make them non-negotiable. The medical pharmaceutical complex profits from managing your symptoms rather than curing your condition. That's why this natural, affordable approach threatens their $50 billion business model. These 3 fruits represent a revolutionary alternative that addresses root causes instead of masking problems with expensive medications. Your prostate health and masculine vitality don't have to deteriorate with age. The choice is yours. Continue down the path of declining function and expensive procedures, or take control naturally starting this very moment. Implement this fruit-based prostate restoration protocol immediately and reclaim the vitality and confidence you thought were gone forever. Your future self is counting on the decision you make right now. But here's what bothers me most: powerful fruits like pomegranate cost $4 each at most stores, making this protocol expensive for many men. What if I told you there are cheaper alternatives that deliver the exact same prostate healing compounds for under $2? I've discovered budget-friendly substitutes that work just as effectively. Click the next video to see how smart men are getting premium results without breaking the bank.